Buy this if you want one of the best robot vacuums available now, especially for pet hair, carpet, and corner/baseboard cleaning. You appreciate the convenience of auto-emptying by monthly or more, and don't mind replacing bags or filters. You have space for a larger dock and aren't super sensitive about noise. You care about smart mapping, scheduling by room, and want a cleaner you largely forget, but still maintain occasionally. Skip this if you're budget conscious, especially over the long term. Cheaper robot vacuums now offer many smart features that cover 80 to 90% of what S9 Plus does, at a fraction of the price. You have very low lighting, lots of clutter, cables, small objects on floor, or need ultra-fine obstacle avoidance. Noise is a real concern. Overall, in my experience, the S9 Plus is still a class leader for deep clean capability and convenience.